Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have HAYLOU W1 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily do a soft reset. To do a soft reset of this device, at first we have to open them. Now you have to remove them from your case and then hold your finger on these touch panels for 5 seconds. Now they're turned off, so that we have to turn them on. To turn them on, we have to push this touch panel for 2 seconds. Now they should be soft resetted. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye!